Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will tell you how you can deploy Appy Pie Chatbot widget on your Squarespace website. Log into your Squarespace account and choose the website where you would like to deploy the chatbot widget by clicking on the website option here. Next, select settings from the left side menu and then click advanced. Now click code injection in the left side menu and you'll be redirected to the code injection section. In the footer area of this section you can paste the widget code to deploy Appy Pie Chatbots widget. Now let's see how it's done. Log into your Appy Pie's chatbot account and go to bot setup section. Now copy the widget code from here. Once you copy the code, then go to the code injection section in Squarespace and paste the widget code in the footer box. Once done, click on save. On saving the changes, you will see the chatbot widget deploy on your website. Click here to expand the window, and in the lower right hand corner of your website page you will see the widget. This is how you can deploy the chatbot widget on your Squarespace website. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.